Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you an awesome tool within YouTube on how you can translate your closed captions or subtitles into other languages. Now, since they've removed Google Toolkit, translating has been a little bit hard or a little difficult because now there's a different way to do it. So you do not have to worry. Even though they don't have the tools readily available, you can still translate your YouTube videos into other languages with only a few clicks. And best of all, you can do it for free. So here we go. We're diving in. This is in the YouTube studio, still in beta, so they may make some changes, but here we go. I'm in the video right now. All you need to do is go over here to the left side and go to transcriptions. So when you click on that, the transcript will come up with the default language, published by creator. Now this will either be automatically published, or if you've looked at one of my other videos, which you can check out in a card, and have downloaded them and edited your subtitles and re-uploaded them in any way for any reason, then it will say published by creator. So once it's here, you don't need to mess with it. This is the default language. We're going to do add a language. So we'll click on this and all these languages come up, over 120 languages. We're going to do Spanish. So just type SP and then Spanish, click on it, hit add. A new tab is going to open up, and then we have a couple options. Now in the past, when you downloaded your subtitle file, you could upload it into Google Toolkit and it would change for you. But Google Toolkit is no longer around, and Google Translate doesn't support the subtitle documents, SBV or SRT for something like that. It doesn't support those. So you can't do it unless you do a text edit, but then the timings aren't in it. So how do you do it? Well, here we are. Instead of using upload file, go to create new subtitles or CC. And when you click on this, a menu will open up and it says translate English to Spanish. So go to auto translate and hit auto translate. And in a few seconds, all of your text is automatically translated into another language. So in this case, it's Spanish. When we're ready, we hit publish, because it's automatically done. And now we're back here and it says Spanish. So let's check it out. We'll view the video in a new tab right on YouTube. Okay, so let's play. Let me mute it first. Play. Subtitles. And subtitles, English and Spanish. Now, of course, if you haven't done it, a viewer could go to auto-translate and they could auto-translate it anyway, but this makes it readily available and automatically available in English and Spanish. So if someone is in a Spanish-speaking nation, it's automatically going to play in Spanish subtitles for them in their location. So this is a great tool to use. I hope you take advantage of it. Please leave a comment down there if you did take advantage of it, because I would love to hear from you how this video helped. Also, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you thought of the video and any other thoughts you may have. Click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and use those social icons to share this video to help your friends as well. Until next time.